When something will happen or will be completed before a specific time in the future, use the future perfect simple. I will have graduated by 2024. When something will happen before another action in the future, use the future perfect simple. Will you have learned enough French to get by before you move to Paris? How many countries will you have visited by the time you retire? Non-continuous verbs are used when we can't see the person doing the action. They don't use ing. Non-continuous verbs are used with the future perfect simple when we want to show that an action will continue until the start of another one. I will have worked in London for 5 years by the time I transfer to New York. Try to remember the structure of these examples and the reasons why we use them. Thanks for watching, everyone, and thanks for listening. Don't forget to subscribe for notifications of new videos.